back to my another video. Today I am going to show this video how to clear RAM cache on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to clear your RAM cache and you want to improve your laptop or desktop speed, then I will show you how to do this by clearing your RAM cache. First of all, you have to open the command prompt. Click on start menu, then type here cmd. Right click on this command prompt and click on run as administrator. Click on this to allow. Here you have to type this command what I will provide in my video description link. You can just copy paste from there. Come to this command prompt, right click on this top of the window, click on edit and click on paste. Then hit enter and close this window. That's it guys. So in this way you can clear your RAM cache on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.